I'm continuing to work on my own tooling. I want to make a handled V fuller today. I want to thank Jerry S. Hodges for continuing to directly support my channel through donations. A big thanks for sure. I made these handle top tools a long time ago by fullering the sides and wrapping a handle around. I need a V fuller like this, but with the edge perpendicular to the length of the handle. The ends of these are welded, but I'll do the end differently today without welding. Just a different, maybe more traditional way of making this type of tool. This rod is 8 millimeters, and the piece for the V fuller is 7/8 inch by about 3.5 inches long. I first put some radius on the striking end, just one less thing to do later on. I think this piece is medium carbon, but it could also be low carbon. I usually run my forge around 4 psi. This tong is not too well suited to this size, and I notice it's digging in and leaving some marks on the end. That should be close to the profile I want. I used to be really good at this, but I've lost something along the way. Over time, this may come loose, but it'll never come out. So that's basically that. A useful way to quickly make this sort of tool. I'll demo using this on a couple of pieces. This is a cutter in yet another style. I'll spread that now with the new V Fuller, which is orientated in a way that makes it easier for me to use. Nothing fancy here, just a practical tool that I'll frequently use. Wild bird yapping in the background is reminding me it's feeding time. Take care for now.